You're watching this video, that means you're already pregnant. Congratulations. I'll be telling you a few things that you should be taking care while eating. So I'll tell you 15 foods to avoid during pregnancy, especially the first trimester. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go for it. Please like, share, comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon.
In the list of foods that you should avoid or should eat in moderation, the number one is raw or uncooked meat or maybe eggs. Uncooked or raw meat or eggs attracts a lot of harmful bacteria that may harm you from inside. Number two is unpasteurized milk. Milk is again a good home for bacteria. Number three is raw sprouts. That again attracts harmful bacteria because of their stickiness. Uncleaned, unwashed, or already cut fruits are a big no. That is because there is the chemical polish on the skin and it attracts a lot of harmful bacteria. Papayas are highly laxative, so it creates pressure on your uterus. At the same time, it takes your body temperature to a high. Pineapples contain bromelain, which softens the cervix, that results in untimely labor contractions. Eating black grapes in moderation is no harm, but when you eat it in large quantities, that may lead to stomach upset, nausea, vomitings, etc. Cabbage and lettuce, that can cause diarrhea, and because of the gastric quality, it may be a reason for hypothyroid. You should limit your coffee intake because excessive caffeine may limit the fetal growth. So, the child will born underweight. Intake of high sugar leads to gestational diabetes and preeclampsia, which is leading cause of infant illness, preterm birth or death. So please lessen the intake of sugar. Smoking or alcohol increases anxiety, so it negatively impacts the brain, creating a very negative impact on child's growth. So alcohol and smoking is a big no. Soft or aerated drinks, because it takes your cravings on a high and it has excessive sugar and a lot of caffeine, which is very harmful for pregnant ladies. Not all, but some herbs rarely contain steroids, which imbalances the hormones. So choose the herbal tea wisely. Aloe vera comprises of anthraquinones, which are highly laxative. So chances of miscarriage is there. Please avoid. Though spicy food is fine for pregnant ladies, but if your digestion is weak, that will aggravate acidity. And junk food is always a big no.
So I told you these 15 foods that you need to avoid or you need to eat in moderation. I request you to subscribe and like the channel. Please press the bell icon, that will enable you to get all the notifications regarding my new videos. Thank you so much.